County Line Kitchen. Mason jar flip cap lid with handle. Fits with wide mouth mason jars only, including Ball and Kerr. Not compatible with regular or narrow mouth jars. Check the size of your jar before purchase. Easy Pour Spout. The flip cap lid easily pops open and stays open when you are pouring into cups or drinking, never flipping back down without force. Leak-proof lids. Integrated silicone gasket provides a tight seal, which means your jar will never have a leak. Lid allows for easy brewing, storage, and pouring. Dynamic design and style. Sturdy handle allows for easy handling and movement. Wide mouth makes for an easy drink bottle. Large spout on this jar makes for a great substitute for mugs and cups, allowing large amounts of your favorite drink.